Hi everyone, it's Mag here. So don't forget to click that subscribe and bell icon to receive a notification each time I upload a new video. So it's Monday, and last week I ordered some parchment paper for one of the journals, the handmade journals that I'm making for a commission, and I waited, well, it's taken about 6 days to arrive. Now that it has arrived, I got working this morning only to find that I've run out of ink on the printer. So it's not one thing, it's another. So I will get organised one day. So I've had to nip out and buy some more printer ink. This quick nip out has turned into an extended journey. Seems there are roadworks, lane closures and tailbacks. At this rate, I'm not going to get back till lunchtime. Frustration. It's what Dad calls the buggeration factor. So it's Thursday. You can barely see me in there. Hang on. Let me see if I can turn this round. That's better. Got the camera the right way up this time. So yes, it's Thursday morning, and I've had a chance to review the 100 or so comments that you guys have left on the vlog video from last night. Where I mentioned about the vlogs becoming samey, and whether or not I was wondering whether or not they still had any value. Well, you guys obviously still think that they do, and in one voice, not one single person said yes, stop. Everybody says no, continue, carry on, that you're all enjoying a glimpse into life in the UK, or even if you live in the UK, the differences between where you live and where we live. So yeah, the will continue. We will carry on with the vlogs because you guys have said that you want us to continue on with the vlogs. Ian's going to also contribute to some of the videos as well. Not necessarily the stuff that he builds, but also when he takes Mr. Bentley out, he'll film as well, and also he'll do a little snippet as well for the vlog too. So it takes all the onus off me doing it all the time. And I know it's supposed to be my vlog, but it's our vlog really. It's both of us. So yeah, so he's going to share in doing some of the filming. So if I forget, he'll do stuff. But it's nice for it to be done from his point of view and not just my point of view. So that's what we're going to do going forward. So what am I doing today? Today, it's Thursday, 30th of January, all but the end of Jan. I'm going through to see Mum and Dad this morning, and we're going shopping. So I don't know whether Dad's going to come with us. He did last week, but whether he does this week or not, I don't know. Who knows? Depends what mood he's in when I get there. Don't just walk away from me like that. I just want to say, are you going to say hello? Are you going to say hello? Hey, you're all very quiet today, aren't you? Can't even see you. Go and stand over there so you can see. I swear to God, people think I'm talking to myself here.
I think you are, yeah.
Hello.
I think you are.
No, get your nose out the bin.
I brought some bits in to show you.
You've what?
I brought some things in to show you.
Ooh,
a show and tell.
A show and tell. Right, in that case then, I'll turn the camera around and you can show. That looks good. Oh. So, what have you got?
I have two pieces to... I have a puppy dog. He's a good boy, ain't you? Like a tattered anyway.
So, anyway, you were saying,
So,
what have you got? What's
I
it?
have two machines. I have Moody's Magical Melody Collection System.
Right.
Mad-Eye Moody with the eye.
Looks like it's something you'd see off Chitty Chitty Bang Bang.
It does. And then I've also got a little aura collector.
A little aura collector.
Yes, and I'll talk you through them. We'll start with the aura collector because she's there already.
Seeing as I'm on that one now.
Okay. When we all walk around our daily lives, we have our aura, and our aura could get tainted.
Yes.
By magic or by
negative people.
Yes. There are a lot of those about.
There are.
So this machine collects the negativity and releases it back into the air as positive ions.
Right.
It's part of the new range that was inspired by our visit to Harry Potter, with all the lovely Victorian Gothic papers on it.
Excellent stuff.
It's all glass.
That's glass. Very nice. So what's this?
Okay.
This beast.
This behemoth.
Yes. That's a big machine.
Is Moody, Mad-Eye Moody.
Mad-Eye Moody.
Moody's Magical Melody Collector.
Okay, so
we'll go to...
Do you want to do a turn around on this one then?
Yeah, okay.
So quite big. What is it, about 14 inches?
14, 16 inches long. I like the back, it looks like a time machine.
It does.
The old 19...
Well, I was immediately struck with because with the wooden panelling and with the kind of stripes, like the wings off Chitty Chitty Bang Bang.
Yes.
But it's also got those wooden panels on the side as well, so it's like something from
and it's got the collection devices at both sides.
Yes, like it. So look at the back of the, again, that beautiful Victorian Gothic kind of pattern.
It's amazing what you can do with a CD, isn't it?
Beautiful. It's lovely. Really is nice.
And we'll come back round. Ooh.
But yeah, it is again like something from the time machine.
Yeah, it is.
It's almost like a hypnotic. The hypnotron.
It's got the mystic air. It's collecting all the mystic air down. There's a little gauge.
Oh yeah. I can see the gauges.
And then there's a one at the other side, and that one is amperes, and that is apparition strength.
Right. Love it. I love the way that these acrylic bubble rods all light up. The light catches inside the bubbles, doesn't it?
Can you believe it? Do you know what the middle is? It's a thermos flask. All the wires are inside.
Don't give away your secrets.
No, it's all different things. Yeah, it draws all the magic in, and then stores it all there. All the bad magic melody.
Fantastic stuff. And again, so you've got blue, vegan leather.
Vegan leather, yes.
You've got blue vegan leather. So you've got all those beautiful kind of like brass fittings and copper tubing, real copper tubing.
Oh, we don't use plastic.
No. Well, you do on the rods.
The rods, the acrylic's plastic, but generally 99.9% is actually...
It's all wood, all brass, all metal. Brass. Which is why they're blooming heavy to lift up. Couldn't wear this one on your belt, could you?
No.
It's very dark indeed. How dark is it on a scale of 1 to 10?
15.
It's about 6:10, and it's obviously dark. And we're just driving over to see Mum and Dad. Dad's borrowing. Let's just turn that radio off for a second, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike. Yes, we're just nipping over to see Mum and Dad because Dad wants to borrow one of Ian's tools. That makes a change, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah. So Ian's also wanting Dad to do something for him. It's got very dark.
Hang on.
No.
Oh yeah.
That's better. Yes. So Ian wants a couple of things making in time for this weekend's steampunk show over in Whitby. So last minute. So we're just nipping over quickly for an hour. Are you done?
Yeah.
So we'll be there in a minute because we're just approaching a Penistone now.
Oh, look at that, nice bit of light there.
I've just discovered a light above my head. Didn't even know it was there.
Like divine intervention.
It is, isn't it?
Anybody can watch it, it doesn't matter. It's...
You are very...
Do you half a cup and then put no cup?
No, I'll give you a full cup. I'm not many chocolates to make,
Copper. Compression rings.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't it possible?
£11
Trying to watch the telly underneath his neck.
Look, they're like a roll. Rather than just being flat, they're like rolled.
Up a bit.
I stuck them on and they look really nice.
So the postman's just been. Brought me some of my new stencil prototypes. This is Kisses, Heart UK, and another one called Belle. So these are going to be, well, they're on the website now anyway. I've just had to modify Belle slightly because I'm not happy with the way this piece comes down here and joins. But yeah, I'm very, very happy with these ones. Normally I do a, excuse me, oh dear, I don't know where that came from. Normally I'll get the prototypes in and then I'll do a pre-release or a pre-order and then release them kind of like the next month. Well, that's going to be March, but that means that we've got now the entire February, if you like. I'm just looking at my calendar up there, just working out dates. So I could kind of like release these around about February, around about Valentine's Day, but I thought, you know what the hell, I'll just take pre-orders for them now, and then as soon as they arrive in, I'll get them shipped straight out. So yes, so those three, so Heart UK, Kisses, and Belle, so 3 designs on the website right this very moment, but I've also got my designs for March as well, and I'm going to give you a quick sneaky peek of these 3. So let me see if I can get some black card, actually. Black card, rather than have to stand up all the time. There we go. So these have a kind of Baroque feel to them. So that's number 1, or number 2, can't remember which way around, which is a kind of very delicate, intricate stencil design, but it works. Beautiful. And then we have number 2, again, very, very delicate, but works beautifully. Look at that gorgeous, gorgeous pattern. Beautiful. And then we have another one, a very delicate one, very Victorian. We have Oak Leaf. So those are going to be my March releases, but I'm not going to put those on the website just yet because I'm going to obviously need to keep them in reserve for March. But sneak peek, there you go. I'm too good to you, honestly too good to you. So this morning we're having a quiet morning, which means that Ian's not going to be using any power tools in the garage so that I can concentrate without any interruptions, so I can get stuff done, edited, filming, that kind of thing. So yes, it's going to be a, fingers crossed, a very productive morning. I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.